I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Bell to Rogers, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before starting the porting process, ensure that your number is eligible to be transferred. You should not have any outstanding balances with Bell. Step 2. Gather information. Collect all necessary information including your Bell account number, PIN, and the phone number you want to port. This information is crucial for the transfer. Step 3. Visit Rogers store or website. Go to Rogers store or their official website to initiate the porting request. If you're redoing it online, look for the option to transfer your number during the sign-up process. Step 4. Complete the porting request. Fill out the porting request form with the gathered information. Double-check for any typos, as errors can delay the process. For example, entering the wrong account number can result in a failed port. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, you'll receive a confirmation email or message from Rogers. The porting process usually takes a few hours but can take up to a day. Switching your number can be a hassle, but following these steps should help you transition smoothly. Good luck with your new service.